making a water filter out of recycled waters or water bottles. You're just gonna want to cut it in a charcoal, preferably near the bottom of the bottle. In this case, it's the top. Yeah. So just don't cut yourself. That stuff's pretty sharp sometimes. You don't want to get a paper towel and to remove the inner towel. You're gonna hope you're not outside where there's a lot of wind. And you're gonna get this right here. You're gonna find yourself a mallet you have lying around on your stranded island. You're just gonna stuff it in there. Try to keep it all around even so it doesn't do. I don't think I did that right, but okay. And now you got yourself that. You want to need a charred piece of wood. Now, you're going to want to wrap it up so it collects the wood. So very firmly. Now that it's firmly wrapped, you're going to want to beat it. Preferably with a mallet. If anything, you could use your Xbox 360 controller. Now, do not breathe in this dust because how toxic. It actually not your charcoal. Now, this can be used for multiple things. In our case, a water filter. Okay. Now I'm emptying the previously crushed charcoal into the bowl. So now we're just going to get the charcoal. I hope it doesn't wind on you. So now we're gonna want to transfer this from this. Cause now I need a mallet that should come from space. Whoa, it fell out of the sky. Now you're going to want to empty this in this bowl because that's not as fine. You're going to want to keep that. And hopefully someone will block the wind for me. Now I can't not see. Be careful not to get it in your eye because that stuff really hurts. Now, we're going to filter it one more time to see your progress. Why is it cold? So we're gonna continue to progress ourselves. Ooh, that's starting to get finer. Now, the finer you get it, the more finely textured your water's gonna be. And that's because if you don't want disease, you're gonna wanna unfine it. Also, if you have a southern accent, it helps. Like I said before, keep your hands out dirty. And if you want to eat your grilled cheese, it's not going to taste so good. So, also, if you're going to do this inside, you want to be pretty well ventilated because then you're going to breathe in them toxic chemicals, and you might get cold lung.
It's okay if you have little few pieces in there.
Just dump them out. Yeet. Feed the nature.
Eat them away. Okay, you'll get some stuff stuck there. Now you have like your really fine dust. Once you have your fine ash charcoal, you're gonna need to do this.
No, you're gonna want to put it over a bowl. Okay.
A bowl?
Yeah, so you don't spill none.
So you're gonna need to
dump it in. So
you have your charcoal, you know.
But now,
and then you're gonna need to like
filter the sand. But now, this is red sand from Moab, Utah. It's already pretty fine. It smells like apple juice. You can filter it more. These has large amounts of rocks in it. Well, that's a lot. Now you see these rocks?
can't crush them. They're way too hard.
There's sandstone, red sandstone to be exact. And now you got yourself some pretty fine sand because it was only pebbles and.
Whoa. It's quite a bit of sandy though.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Okay, once you're done with that, get your little tiny racks. So you need, it's a cycle, the same stuff. Okay.